Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily and in this video I will be creating two shopping bags, or this one is called Rainbow Shopping Bag, the die set that I will be using for my main part, and it's a part of Scrap Diva Design's latest release. And I was so excited about this shopping bag. It was the first project that I created with the new products. And for my first one, I thought I wanted to have it like really thick, so I used some pattern paper from a Mega Homes Flourish collection, as well as some white 100-pound cardstock from Hero Arts. So this is a sturdy box that I will be creating, or bag, shopping bag that I will be creating. So I'm creasing along all of the like score line. They are like perforated, I think you can say that in English, so that they are really easy to fold along with. Here is the bottom part. So after I had been like creasing all of those lines, I decided to go ahead and put my box together. I will do this much easier for my second box because I will put my sides together first and then the bottom part, the last thing I'm doing. So if you're doing this, please don't do the bottom first, do the other sides first. I think it was a lot easier. I'm like creasing this and folding down my sides, and I believe this box can be like shut together in 1,000,001 different ways. I will share just one where I created handles, but you can see how sturdy this box is. You really don't have to make it this thick. I love when it was this thick, but I will create one that was so much faster and so much easier to like fold along all of those lines when I just had it one layer. So I would definitely create this like thinner box first and then go ahead and make the sturdier one if you like that. But you can see how nice this is folding and how nicely everything is like coming together. So for this one, you can see I'm putting liquid adhesive to the tabs for my side of my shopping bag, and you can see I'm just lining them up and then pressing them together, and then I can fold over the other side and just put liquid glue here, and then everything will be perfectly aligned. So that is just something that I am encouraging you to do if you want to put this box together. And by the way, I love watching videos like this where you can see how the box is coming together, because there is always those pieces that you're wondering about. For my project today, I will not be using the rainbow part. I will definitely be back and creating a project with that one. Maybe not on camera, but off camera, and I will share it on Instagram because the rainbow is super sweet, and I just hadn't time today to create more than 2 boxes, but I will definitely play around with the rainbow as well. You can see the design team, the Scrap Diva design team has put together so much nice inspiration with this box already, so go check them out. So for my sentiment, I use an enjoy word that comes from the new Beach Share Mini album. And you can see I raised it up with some foam and had it attached to some vellum. And my idea was that I was gonna create some tags. So I took the star nesting set, also a new one from Scrap Diva Design. You can see the layer piece there as well. And I cut it out of some other pattern paper that I had in my stash from that same Flourish collection. And I will just attach all of that to my bag. I also created like this little dangle. I have never tried anything like that in my life, but after I think I told you previously in another video that I sort of have been watching a lot of hours with like 3D project lately, so I was so inspired to create something with pearls. So this was my first attempt. That is why I didn't keep it on like footage, because I'm no pro at this. So I didn't want you to look at all my mistakes the first time I created it. I can be back with another video where I'm like getting a hang of what I'm actually doing, but I created this sort of hanging part that I will have on my shopping bag here. So I think it turned out super cute. So for my handle here, I'm sorry I'm a little bit off camera, but I'm just tying my handle here with some with some twine, but I actually decided to go back and do it all over, so I had it on the other side of my shopping bag. You will see that in a second here. I attached my bow. The bow comes from this rainbow shopping bag set. It was super easy to put together. I just have a brad in the middle of it to tie it all together, and it went super fast to create. And for my other tag, I am stacking this up with another like shadow piece, creating my hole here with my crocodile. And then I will have some lemons that I created from previously projects last month. You can go check that video out. I had so many leftovers because I created a ton last month. And it's from the lemon shaker die set, also from Scrap Diva, so go check out that one if you haven't seen it. I can link it down below in the description box. So now I will tie these into my box as well. I'm just fiddling those into the holes and tying a knot on the inside. You can do it so it shuts close if you like, or you can have these like handles, so you can create whatever you like. I just use some clear embellishments as well, just to tie my project together, and that will pretty much finish off our 2 shopping bags for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and got inspired to create something similar. You can look in your stash and see what you have for embellishments. And definitely go check out Scrap Diva's latest release. I will have links down below for all of the products that I used in this video, so please check it out. And I will be back next week with some more inspiration using the latest release from Scrap Diva. So I hope you will enjoy that as well. I will now leave you with some close-up pictures of my projects, as well as my little like pearly jingle jangle thingy there. So I hope you enjoyed that and liked this, and please leave a comment down below if you enjoyed watching this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can always do that. It would really help me out a lot. And until next time, have a great day. Bye!